In this video, I am doing laundry, and I'm just folding up our laundry and putting it away. Hi, it's Sharon Shorteagle from Sherry's Fairies, and it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and I have a basket of laundry to fold and put away. It's laundry to fold and put away, and when we moved the new dressers into our bedroom, I tidied up my drawers and some of David's drawers, and we rolled stuff so that they would fit better. And so I'm just going to do some folding. It's not very exciting to watch, but it's all part of it. It's all part of it. And also, when I wash my clothes, I don't do the whites and the darks and stuff like that. I do underwear and socks, pajamas. And the reason I do that, dropping a sock on the floor, and the reason I do that is because then I know what I have to fold and put away. And the first load is always underwear and pajamas and stuff, because to me they're the most difficult to fold and put away because there's usually a lot of them. So, and I keep, oh no, I didn't drop it on the floor. So, I'm not showing you some of the stuff because it is our underwear. I don't think we need to show our underwear on YouTube. The pajamas, that's okay. Oops, wrong side in. There's always lots. I do my laundry about every 2 weeks, so it's usually a pretty good pile of laundry. I'm just gonna concentrate on getting this done. But nobody said tiny tidies are supposed to be exciting. Oh, right, I got my pillowcases on, my pillow covers in this load too, which is nice because when I made my bed this morning, I decided we needed clean pillowcases. And then when I took the pillowcases off, I decided that the pillow covers needed to be washed too. So this top and this bottom go together, so I'm going to roll them together and put them away. I saw a mom doing that for some of her kids' stuff, and I thought, oh, that's a heck of a good idea. Then I'm not digging through and messing up my drawer to try and find the bottom and the top that match. There's the other one. All right, well, I'll just keep folding laundry till it's all done. It's always something that needs to be done. Okay, so the pajama top and the bottom is already rolled up, so I'm going to roll it together. I think that's just such a clever thing to do. Too bad it took me till I was 70 to figure it out. Oh well, I guess that's why we have YouTube and Tiny Tidies. Okay. Getting down here. Anyhow, it's always nice to chat with people on YouTube, have a little visit. I enjoy it a lot because it's like having company without having company. Which sometimes is kind of nice because you don't have to worry about what state your house is in, and lots of socks to fold. Oh, here's another pajama top. And I also have the pajama bottom for them. I mentioned on another video that I got these pajamas at Costco. And they're some of my favorite pajamas. Oh, these two go together. And I didn't roll them together. So I'm going to do that. Takes time to get into a habit. There we go. Now we got 4 sets of pajamas clean. And I rolled up my husband's underwear because it fit in the drawer better. And I think it's easier for him to get it out without having to mess up a big pile. Okay. Oops, there's one more of mine. Just gonna fold it. Okay, I'm gonna go over to my husband's drawer over here. We're gonna put his underwear in here. And I think this works out pretty neat. Oh. Okay. And now we're gonna fold some socks. Oh, those two aren't mates. Maybe this one's a mate. And this one's an extra one. Not sure where it goes, where it belongs. And these have a saying on the bottom. It says, "Dear Santa, I've been goodish." Those are pretty cute. I'd like to take this moment and ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And don't forget to watch the playlist of all the other tiny, tiny ladies. And again, thank you, Dawn, from the Helpful Home. And happy Halloween, everyone. Hope you all have a great evening. I'll just stick those. Okay, let's put the socks away. There we go. And now I can put my clean pillows. I have to do some bleach on these. Okay, so, well, that doesn't look right. What the heck? Maybe it goes this way. I don't know how to put the covers back on. Okay, let's lay it down. Okay, let's go like that. Who knew that could be so difficult? Oh well, that's good for a chuckle. It's good for a chuckle. See, our special pillows. They have the thing for the neck. There, I got it right this time. And zip it up. And we'll put the clean pillowcase on. This is a big pillowcase, but I like the color, so I use it. This is for king size pillows, which I don't have, but they work. I like to change the pillowcases. Even if I don't change the sheets, it just freshens everything up. See if I can get this one on. Yep. Oh, I forgot about my water. I'm boiling water for noodles. And we'll put the pillowcase on. There we go. Now, go on the other side of the bed and put it in place. Okay. There we go. Well, that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. I have one sock left. Dave says it's not his, so I don't know if it's our son's. It's been kicking around for a while, but my laundry basket is empty and my clothes are put away. And I'm sure the next load are dry, waiting for me to come put them away. And I will continue doing that until I get the laundry done today. Got a load in the dryer, a load in the washer, and then that's it. So we need to fold them and get them put away. Anyhow, thanks again for watching, and welcome any new subscribers who have subscribed. If you like this content, could you please give me a thumbs up and share with somebody if you think they would like this content. Anyhow, don't forget to watch all the other ladies doing their tiny tidies today. A little bit at a time gets a lot done. So we'll see you in my next video, and that would be Thursday for Fairy Garden Thursday. And I'm going to do something a little different and make a winter fairy garden. Okay, we'll see you on Thursday. Bye.